Drinking too much plain water without electrolytes can be just as dangerous as dehydration. Here is the exact math for safe trail nutrition. Most beginners pack water based on fear, not math. The baseline is simple: 0.5 liters for every hour of moderate hiking. However, factors like high heat, altitude, and steep uphill grades can easily double this requirement. Drinking only plain water while sweating heavily risks hyponatremia, dangerously low blood sodium. Past the 2-hour mark, adding electrolytes is a safety requirement, not a luxury, to prevent nausea, confusion, and muscle cramping. Your body burns glycogen rapidly on ascents, far faster than a standard walk. Aim for 300 to 400 calories per hour. Prioritize simple carbs for immediate power on hills, and fats to sustain energy for the long haul. Don't wait for hunger. By the time your stomach growls, your performance has already dropped. Use drip feeding, eating small amounts every 45 minutes to keep your blood sugar and energy levels stable throughout the day. If you stop fueling, you risk bonking, a sudden crash in energy and focus. Recovery requires immediate sugar, but preventing it with consistent snacking is far safer than trying to recover on a steep trail. Forget heavy apples or sandwiches. You need calorie density. Pack nuts, dried fruit, and bars that don't melt. The golden rule for efficiency is simple. Choose foods providing at least 100 calories per ounce of weight. Carrying 4 liters of water adds nearly 9 pounds of dead weight to your back. If your map shows reliable streams, swap the bulk for a lightweight filter and a single bottle capacity to drastically save energy. Plan your load out by the numbers. Calculate your hours, multiply by your water and calorie baselines, and add an emergency buffer. This formula keeps your pack light and your body safe. Fuel smart, stay safe, and enjoy the hike.